Hi, Rachel Ramsey on the floor at COMPTEL Plus in Las Vegas. I'm here with Drew Allgeier from Contingent. Great to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you, Rachel. It's great to be here.
So tell me a little bit about your company and what you offer.
All right, so Contingent Network Services, our core business going back almost 30 years now, is field technical labor services, or large-scale deployments, installations, and ongoing break fix, predominantly for telcos and service providers, but also for large distributed enterprise. And that's in 120 countries globally.
Okay, great. And what are some things that set you apart from competitors in the industry?
I'd say some of the biggest things that set us apart, without question, are our SLAs, the depth and breadth of our field technical labor force, and the ability to put technicians with multiple skill sets literally anywhere around the globe with as little as 4 hours of notice, and adhere to an exceptionally stringent SLA with a lifetime workmanship warranty, and on top of that, no contracts, no minimums whatsoever with regard to MSAs and contractual agreements that we have.
Okay, great. And what are some things we can look forward to seeing from Contingent in the future?
What you can look forward to seeing to Contingent is somewhat contrary to our legacy business. And as I was explaining in the editorial earlier, a big growth for us has been our managed service products. So with you can't turn around without getting hit in the forehead with managed service this and managed service that. Ours is very different because we are providing it to really top national retailers, Fortune 1000, that have hundreds or thousands of locations. The reason we're doing it is because other providers cannot. The reason they cannot is because we are exceptionally differentiated in our approach to that MSP model. So that's the big news that you're going to see more and more and hear more and more about, as well as the fact that that revenue may very well eclipse, if not surpass, our legacy revenues within the next 18 months. So.
Great. Well, it sounds like a lot of exciting stuff coming. So
Yep.
Enjoy the rest of your time at COMPTEL.
Thank you.